How to see who shared your post on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here at LPR today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Instagram application and make sure you're logged into your account. After that, simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now make sure that you have a professional account so that you can see who has shared your post on Instagram, because in a personal account it is not possible. So let's check on one of these posts over here and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and here you can see the option of View Insights. So tap on it. And as you tap on it, you can see the number of accounts reached, engaged, profile activity over here. You can see the impressions, engagements, profile follows, visits over here. But to see that who has shared your post on Instagram, it's not a very practical way, or it's not possible in Instagram as of now. So you can only see the number of posts that has been shared or that has been visited, but not who has shared your post on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.